video on there, don't you?
Never used it though.
Huh?
I've never used it.
Well, now's a good time to learn. Okay, I am told that this is an F-22 Raptor. I said that in the other video, but apparently
she knows how to get the video.
Just gotta.
Coming back, here he comes, right in.
Well, I deleted that other one, so hopefully I'm getting it. Come right over us. Right by the boat.
He's gonna go straight up. There he started. Here he comes again. Whoa. He's going back down where he came.
Now he's over Bradford Beach.
Came back down where he came from. Yeah. Less than a mile away.
We're in the Milwaukee Harbor. We're about a half a mile from the beach. He's out in front of the beach now. Now he's coming back towards the harbor. There's 6 to 9 foot waves out of the lake, so it's
straight up again.
anchored in here. He's like flat coming down. He's not going forward or backwards, he's just dropping straight down.
There he comes. It's not lower.
Guys, that turn right, coming right at us now. Meanwhile, back on the boat, and I deleted that other one.
Straight up and over he went.
The boat next to us, trimaran, they got a 35-foot flag out. There's boats all over.